Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw something cool, funny and not scary at all. A cute skull filled with doodles. Super easy to draw. No fear, no pressure, just fun lines, silly patterns and creativity everywhere. So grab your pen, paper and relax your mind and let's fun turn skull into a doodle party. Ready? Let's start drawing. So guys, we have short story while we draw. Okay? So as we draw the skull, imagine it living in an old art notebook. Everyone think it was scary, so no one opened the page. One day, a doodle pen jumped in and said, "Hey, let's make your fun." With every doodle starts spirals, dots, and zigzags. The skull started laughing. Soon it realized every scary thing can be cute when filled with creativity. And now this skull is not spooky. It's a doodle superstar. Yeah.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. You always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
And ta-da guys, wow, look at our awesome doodle skull. From spooky to super cute. Always simple doodles only. If you like this fun and easy drawing with me, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more cute, funny and creative art videos. Comment below and tell me what we should draw next in doodle. So keep drawing, keep learning, keep smiling, and don't forget to smile. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Bye bye.